Okay, so good morning, grade 7.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning, Eunice. Okay. Ayan, so we're going to deal with conversions of time. So, ilan ba yung pinakamalit natin na unit of time? What do you think? That is second. So, there are 60 seconds, tama? In how many minutes?
1 minute.
1 minute. If there are 60 minutes, ilang oras yan?
1 hour.
There is 1 hour. How about in 24 hours? Ilan yan? Equivalent to 1 day?
1 day.
Okay, so how many days in a week?
7.
There are 7 days. Okay, so how many weeks in a month?
4.
There are 4 weeks, tama? Ayan,
Yes.
so, spot lang yung sarili ko para hindi nag-move. Okay, ayan. So there are 4 weeks in a month. So how many month in a year?
12.
There are 12 months. Ayan. So kabisado nyo ba to? So how about how many years in a decade?
10.
There are 10 years. How about century? Tuna.
100 years.
There are 100 years. Pero kapag sinabi natin na 1 score,
20 years.
that is
20 years.
years. Okay, so ganyan lang siya. Diba, patabingin na kasi pag in-straight ko hindi kakasya. Okay, so there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour, 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, 4 weeks in a month, 12 months in a year, and 10 years is equivalent to 1 decade. 1 century is 100 years, and 1 score is for 20 years. Okay? Ayan. So, do you have questions?
Ah,
Okay, so let's try to answer your worksheet. So, are you done with your worksheet na pala?
yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, so let's try to answer your worksheet. I think that's 3. 3 ata yun, yung time. Ito. Okay, ayan. So, let's try to convert. Okay. Ang init. Grabe. 7 hours into blank seconds. Ayan. So, how many hours, how many seconds in 7 hours? Para tayo mag-convert ng ganito. So, we have 7 hours. Ayan. Is equal to what? So, ang nasa baba is hour. So, ilang oras ba? Or pagkatapos ng hour natin, palitin natin, that is minutes. So, ilang minutes sa isang oras?
60.
There are 60 minutes. Okay, times. Multiply na rin natin ito. Ayan, times. So, itong hours kanina bumaba, itong minutes naman ngayon bababa. So, therefore, this is minutes. So, in 1 minute, how many seconds?
It's in the ref.
60 seconds. Tama? Now, ang gagawin lang natin is to cancel the units of hour, cancel the hours of minutes. So, ang matitira dito is 7 times 60 times 60. So, ilan lahat yon?
25,000.
7 times 60 times 60, that is 25,200 seconds. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ayan. So, ganyan lang yung
Okay.
gagawin natin. So, when we are converting like this, yung nasa taas, kapag papaliit ka, pumapupunta sa baba. Okay? Pero kapag yung oras naman, papalaki, okay? So, magdi-divide ka ngayon. For example, is this. Ito. Paano naman pag ganito? Ayan. Ito, madali lang to. Ito, 72 months. 72 months, how many? In years. So, if there are 72 months, alam naman natin na in a year, how many months?
12.
There are 12 months. Therefore, cancel natin si month tsaka month. Ang matitira, 72. Baliktad pala tayo. Okay, ito pala. So, if there are 1 year, there are 12 months. Pupunta pala sa baba talaga pala siya. So, tanggalin natin si month, tanggalin natin si month. 72 times 1 divided by 12. Or 72 divided by 12. There are ilan? Umiyak na. 72 divided by 12. The answer is?
5.5.
Are you sure it's 5.5? That would be?
5.1.
Are you sure? 72 divided by 12.
Well,
That is?
5.2. 7 divided by 12.
6.
Ay, there are 6 years in a 72 months. So, month, hindi naman pwede na 1 month ito, di ba? 1 month is equivalent to how many years? Hindi naman siya pwede. So, ganito siya. You're going to divide. Nakuha? How about this one? Let's try to convert. 42 minutes and 45 seconds into how many seconds? Ayan. So, ano i-convert mo lang dito? Ko-convert mo pa ba si seconds? Yes? Hindi na. So, si 42 na lang. So, 42. So, ito, dagdag mo na lang later. So, 42 minutes is equal to what? This is 1 minute equivalent to 60 seconds. So, 42 times 60. That is 2,520. Tama ba? Okay. Plus 45 seconds, that would give us, ayan, 2,520 plus 45 seconds, that would be 2,565 seconds. Okay, ganyan lang yung gagawin natin. Nakuha? Do you have questions?
No questions. See you next week.
See you next week ka dyan. Okay, so let's now proceed to our main topic this morning. Okay, so that is just a recap for the conversion. So let's deal now with translating English phrase into mathematical phrase. So I repeat, translating English phrase into mathematical phrase. So hanapin ko lang muna siya. Wait lang.
Page 30.
Ayan, so page 38. on your modules. So translating English phrases into mathematical phrases. Okay, so the beauty of algebra is filled with numbers and other symbols that will help us master mathematics. So industry and business rely mostly and heavily on the applications of algebra. So this subject is very important and is taught all over the world. So the essence of algebra lies in representing ideas or quantities as symbols. Okay, so may mga nakikita X and Y, A, B, C, D, mga letters natin. Those represents a number. Okay? So the application of algebra and not arithmetic alone is solving practical and everyday problems is advantageous. So the different symbols are grouped into expressions which will bring to an equations and inequality. So let's try to convert mathematical phrases and English phrases. So the translation of phrases in ordinary English to mathematical expression is a skill we have to learn if we want to reach our goal in applying math in our life. So remember that phrases have no complete meaning or thought, while expressions are neither equations or inequality. So kapag expression, it can be an equation or inequality. So phrases are translated into expression. So these are the expression. Okay, this would be the equation. So ano mapapansin nyo sa expression and equation? Kapag sinabing equation may, sa madaling salita, equal, diba? So that will make an equation. Kapag inequality naman, hindi daw siya equal. Therefore, it can be a greater than, less than, or greater than, less than, or equal to. Or not equal. Ganito siya. So kapag equation yan, all of it has its equal sign. So lahat yan may equal sign. Kapag expression lang, walang equal sign, walang greater than, walang less than. Nakuha? Okay, so these are the phrases naman. Phrases. So phrases, this would be the sentence. So kapag phrases, ganito lang siya. Kapag sentence, ganito siya. So ang mapapansin nyo dito, ang phrases natin walang is, ang sentence natin may is. Ibig sabihin, ang sentence is a equation. Ang phrases are only expression. Nakuha? So 8 times a number. Right? 8 times a number. Sa sentence naman, 8 times a number is 40. So, ibig sabihin, may equal sign siya. The sum of 3 numbers, dito naman sa sentence, the sum of 3 numbers is 13. Ibig sabihin, may equal sign siya. 1/2 plus 1/4 x is 5. That is a sentence. Ibig sabihin, may equal sign siya. So, let's try to translate this phrases. So, 7 times a number. So, kapag meron kayong nabasang ganyan, any number, any number yan, times a number, sabi niya. Ibig sabihin, it is an unknown. So kapag number na ganyan, it is an unknown number, gamitan mo ng variable, kahit anong variable yan. Pero probably ang ginagamit kasi natin is x and y or a and b. Ayan. So therefore, ang symbol natin is 7 times x or 7x. Parang pinagtabi mo lang. 7 times a number, that is 7x. Pwedeng 7a, pwedeng 7b. Basta maliliit na letter. Ito, the product of two numbers. Ibig sabihin, pinag-multiply daw yung dalawang number. So it can be xy, ab. So magkakasunod na dalawang number. So that is the product. Okay? So pag pinag-multiply mo, magtatabi lang naman yung dalawang yan kasi nga hindi pa sila or wala pa silang number. Same as true with the first example dito. So that would be AB. So the sum of 5 and a number. Ibig sabihin, the sum of, ibig sabihin, may addition ka, 5. So that is 5 and a number. So pwede ka magsulat dito na 5 plus A, plus 5 plus B. Bahala ka na kung anong gusto mong gamitin na letter. For example, si Nabil lang sumasagot, pwedeng 5 plus N. Kasi nga Nabil, or bahala siya. 5 plus L. Pwede yun. Kasi nga, basta any letter that represents that unknown number. Nakuha? Ito. Twice a number increased by 8. So kapag increase by, ibig sabihin, mas nauuna si... Ayan. So yung mas naunang sinabi. So twice a number, ibig sabihin, doblehin mo daw si number. So parang 7 times a number din lang siya. So twice a number, that would be 2x. Thrice a number, that would be 3x. Okay? Nakuha? So twice, thrice. Yan yung kadalasan na ginagamit sa English phrases or English sentences. Twice a number, thrice a number. Increase by, ibig sabihin kapag increase, that is addition. Paano pag decrease?
Subtract.
That is subtraction. Nakuha? O paano pag diminish?
Divide.
Diminish? Are you sure it's division? That is
Subtract.
subtraction din. How about, ano pa ba yung ibang ginagamit natin? We have increased by, decreased by, diminished by. Okay, never mind. Next time na lang siya. And hanapin ko muna yung PowerPoint ko doon. Okay, so twice a number increased by 8. So therefore, that would be 2x increased by, that is plus, and 8. So that is 2x plus 8. Nakuha? Ito, 5 less than a number. Pag sinabing less than, dapat nauuna si a number. Kapag less than. Yun lang naman yung ano natin, pagkakaiba. Kapag sinabing less than, mapupunta si number dun sa dulo. So parang pabaligtad siya. It is a reverse write-ups. So 5 less than. So 5 minus or pabaligtad a number. So it can be K for Ken, parang ganun. E for Eunice. Pwede yung ganun. So E minus 5. So kapag less than lang naman. Pero kapag mapapansin nyo naman, increase by, added by, mga ganyan, more than, pwedeng pag ganito na siya. Kung ano yung unang sinabi, mo added by or increased by. So ito lang naman nagkaiba, less than, okay? Ayan, so wag muna tayo doon. Sa translating muna tayo. Okay, so let's try to have more examples. Wait lang, kukuha na ako na libro. Ito. Let's try this one. 17 more than a number. What would be your answer? So, 17 more than a number. So, who wants to try to give me the mathematical phrase for this?
17, then you have the more than, then a letter.
Oh, what is a more than?
17, more than,
So, that is plus
a
number. So, ano?
no. N
A number, pwedeng n. Ayan.
or A.
Yes. So that is 17 plus n. Ganyan lang siya. Nakuha? Ito. A number decrease by 3.
Three
Ayan, paano yan?
minus N.
So a number
3 minus
decrease by
n,
3. Kapag decrease, okay, kapag
Subtract.
decrease, bawasan lang. So a number minus 3.
You don't want to
Okay.
switch?
Nope.
No need.
It,
Okay.
isi-switch lang natin siya kapag less than. So ito, pwede mo siyang tawagin na 3 less than a number. Ganito siya. So 3 less than a number, pag ganito yung sulat. Pero kapag decrease by, ganito siya. Okay? Nakuha?
The same subtraction.
Yes.
Okay.
Pares lang yan. Parehas lang yung kalalabasan nila. Depende na sa pagkaka-translate. Okay? Naintindihan ba? Ito, 4
Okay.
x times 4.
A number multiplied by 4.
Hindi. Ano yung mathematical symbol natin doon? A number times 4. That would be?
A number times, like let's say
4. That would be 4.
4.
X. Nakuha?
No need to add the other number.
Wala namang i-add.
4xa or something.
No?
No need.
Always remember, ang multiplication natin for algebra is this sign. Hindi natin pwedeng gamitin si x. Okay? So for multiplication, hindi natin to pwedeng gamitin. You can use close and open parenthesis or the symbol dot. Nakuha?
Yes.
Okay. So I will be
Okay.
posting a activity. So you need to answer it on your Edmodo. Okay. So there will be no live discussion this afternoon na. So this is, I think this will be the last topic for the second quarter. Okay na?
Yes.
Okay. So ayun lang ayun lamang. So I will be posting this and then you are going to answer it later sa Edmodo. Sa Edmodo to
Sir, do we have afternoon class?
No, there is no afternoon classes already. Then there will be no classes tomorrow then pala. Okay?
Okay.
So by the way, we're done naman na with this one. So you need to master this, translating English phrase into mathematical phrases. So far, do you have questions?
Okay.
None? Okay, so I think that's it for today.
What do we say if we're going to divide? Like what phrase do we say if we're going to divide?
Okay, kapag division, that is divided by.
Straight divided by, okay.
Yes. O, paano pag ito? Take away. Kapag sinabing take
Subtract.
away, that is subtraction. How about the ratio? Ratio. Kapag sinabi natin ratio, that is also division. Okay?
Division, okay. Ratio.
Okay, diminish by. So, halos pares naman. Half a number, that would be?
Division.
Kalate, that would be 1 all over x. Okay? I mean, 1/2 x pala. Yan lang. Madali lang naman to. Okay, so that's all?
That.
Okay, yun lang. Yo, may tanong pa?
Ano yung papasa pa that?
Yes. Okay, so that ends our video.